We'll guide you through how to ensure your ChatGPT security. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the ChatGPT website. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the lower left corner. Here, you need to make sure your account details are up to date and secure. Scroll down until you find the security section. Now you should enable two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone or email each time you log in. This way, even if someone gets your password, they can't access your account without the additional code. Next, check your connected apps and services. It's important to review and remove any that you no longer use or recognize, as they may pose a security risk. Also, make sure your password is strong, combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. If you haven't changed your password in a while, consider updating it now for enhanced security. Lastly, keep an eye on your account activity. You can monitor the devices and locations from which your account has been accessed. If you notice any suspicious activity, immediately change your password and review your security settings. Regularly updating your software and browser is also crucial, as it protects against vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hackers. Remember, staying informed and proactive about your online security is key to keeping your ChatGPT account safe. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.